Gelato print on demand. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Gelato and how you can use it to make money online. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. Now this is the website right here, gelato.com. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and one of the great things about Gelato is that it's completely free and you don't have to buy or create a subscription on it, and you can start selling online just as soon as you sign up. So let me just show you how you can basically do that. So once you're over here onto their website, all you have to do is just simply click on sign up now, or let's get started over here at the top. So I'll click on get started. It'll take you over to this website over here, and over here what you can do is just simply click on sign up with your email, or just simply sign up with Google. I'm going to sign up with Google because it's much more easier and faster, and you can sign up onto any website with just a simple click of a button. So I'm going to click on sign up with Google, and after you've chosen your account, it'll take you over to this place over here where you just have to answer a simple questions like, what is your goal using Gelato? Launching an online business. I want to grow my business, earn money as an affiliate, sell products and whatever. I'm just going to click on just exploring for now and click on next. And over here, what is the product that you will be selling on Gelato? Basically, you'll have apparels, cards, invitations, others, storybooks, stationaries, whatever. I'm going to choose apparel for now, and yeah, you can only choose one for now, and I'm going to click on finish, accept the terms and condition, and click on finish. And once you've answered those questions, this is going to be your dashboard. This is how it looks like. So over here, you have a couple of different options. So you have your store over here. You can connect your store. Basically, if it's an Etsy store or a Gelato store or a Shopify store, whatever store that you have, you can go ahead and connect that over here. Or you have your own website, you can connect that as well. And then you have add products to the store over here. You can add products by simply coming over here, and then you have your add company information. Basically, if you have a company or you have a business, you can go ahead and add your company details over here. And then you have your add credit card, basically to know you will be charged when you place an order or stuff like that. You can add that over here, and then you have your place your first order. These are some of the basic things over here. And over here on the left side, you have your product catalog. Basically, if you click over here, you will see all of your templates, kind of like templates, I guess, and all of the other products that are available on Gelato. Basically, you can choose whichever product that you want. So you have men's clothing, women clothing, baby clothing, wall art, mugs, and many more. Basically, you will see all of your order details, how, when, where someone came, basically pending approvals, connected, failed, drafts, and stuff like that. Then you have your stores down below. You can connect your stores over here, as I should told you before. So you have Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, eBay, BigCommerce, Amazon, Magento, Ecwid, and whatever you want. Like, you can go ahead and connect your stores over here and stuff like that. And then you have Gelato Plus. Basically, if you want to subscribe to them, so that you can get like some bonuses and other features that aren't available into the free program. So now that you know a little bit about it, let's go ahead and create a product. So click on create product catalog, and over here choose whichever product that you want. So I'm going to choose men's clothing for now, and over here I'm just simply going to choose a simple t-shirt. Now over here you have your options of which type of t-shirts that you want. So you have classic unisex, premium unisex, performance unisex, and other many more. So I'm just simply going to choose the classic unisex shirt, and then wait a couple of seconds for the product to load up so that you can go ahead and customize it. So as you can see, once it's loaded up, this is how it's going to look like. So over here you have your country details, where you want to like ship it or where it's manufactured, whichever country you live in, you can choose that. Then you have fulfill 9 countries over here. You can choose whichever country that you want. And then you have your colors over here. You can choose whichever color you want. And then you have the size guide as well. Choose whichever size you want, XL, double XL, or 3XL, whichever size you want. And then you have print specifications that you can add front or back. Those are the types of specification that you have. And then you have the style, basically regular fit or tubular. And then you have the specification for fabric, basically if you want to make it soft, very soft, heavy, whichever one you want. And then you have special features as well. So let me just go ahead and click on start designing real quick. So once it's loaded up, this is how it's going to look like. You have your shirt over here, you have your options over here. So you have your files over here. You can choose whichever file you want. You can upload it. Then you have text, you have layouts, you have settings, you have graphics, you have stock images that you can add over here. And then you have collections. Basically, if you have a collection, you can go ahead and add that as well. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead on to graphics, and I'm going to choose a simple image. So I'm going to choose like a rhinoceros. All right. And then I'm just going to put it over here, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And then, yeah, I'm going to put it over there. So once it's done there, as you can see, it looks pretty nice. It's pretty simple. And then on the back, I'm just gonna add another one, maybe something like a pattern or a different type of thing. Like, let me just see which one would look good on the back, or maybe like a letter. Maybe in the back we can write something cool like "Don't give up" or "Keep fighting" or something like that. So let me just go ahead and add that actually. So I'm gonna write this. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so that it doesn't take up the whole. It doesn't look bad. So I'm just simply gonna go ahead and put it at the top right here. So that's the back. That's the front. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. Looks pretty good. And once the design is complete, all you have to do is just simply click on add to order. So I just wanted to show you that this is how you basically order your items. Now let me just show you how you can basically add your own items into your own store, right? So if I go back, so to add your own products to your store, what you can do is come over here and click on add to products. Now it will take you over to the store web platform where you just simply have to connect your own store. So I'll simply click on connect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect my Shopify account, and it'll basically take me over to this platform where I have to find the app. Simply click on find app, and let's just go ahead and open up Shopify as well. So no, wait, it already opened up. So over here, all I have to do is just simply click on install app over here. Wait a couple of seconds for the Gelato API to load up so that it can connect our store. And there you go, finish setup. So there you go, our store is now connected, and now we can go ahead and sell the products from Shopify over onto our Gelato platform, or we can go ahead and sell our Gelato products to our Shopify products. So I'm going to click on add products over here, select from existing products, Shopify store, and over here this is our product right here. So I'm going to click on connect all, and there we go. Now we can go ahead and select that. So let me just go ahead and choose this one right here, t-shirts, and connect to media, continue to media, and we can skip this step, and then there we go. As you can see, our products are over here, and our we have also connected our t-shirts with this item as well. So if anyone wants to buy this shirt, they can get a free glasses as well, or for a price. Or if anyone wants to buy these glasses, they can buy the shirt as well. So it's pretty nice, it's pretty simple. And then you just simply have to click on continue and click on publish, and then your products will be available on both of the stores. So your Gelato products are going to be available on Shopify store, and your Shopify products are going to be available onto your Gelato platform. So it's pretty simple, it's really unique, and as you can see, it's completely free. You don't have to worry about any prices or any of that thing whatsoever, and it's pretty simple. You can go ahead and change the prices of these products as well, or increase them, or whatever. It all depends upon you. But that was how you basically create different products. So you can go ahead and choose product catalog. So you can choose product catalog, you can buy your own product or design your own product for your own self, or you can connect your stores and start selling products over there online, or whichever store you want. So as you can see, the process is pretty simple. It's really easy, and you don't need any technical skills whatsoever. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.